Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Dean Academics, President IISc Cell, Engineer Dinesh Gupta, HOD Electrical Department, Engineer Lavnish Talwar sir, HOD CSC Department, Engineer Robin Kumar sir, our guest member for today's class, Dr. Shobna Powder, faculty members, and budding engineers. Department of CSC was established in Yogananda College of Engineering and Technology in the year 2013. Department run so many activities so that students get involved in addition to their academic curriculum. Coming together is a blessing, keeping together is a success. It was indeed this mantra of working together that has brought us together where we are today. Education in today's world is not just teaching and living within the four walls of the classroom. Today, it is about creating awareness, and awareness is not only restricted to syllabus, it's for journal awareness too. Now, I would like to request HOD CSC Engineer Robin Kumar for the welcome address. Over to Robin, sir.
Thank you, Anamika. Very good afternoon to all. It gave me immense pleasure to start this occasion by welcoming all. I heartily welcome guest speaker Dr. Shobna, Dean Corporate Relation, Training and Professor Management, IISc President, Om Sterling Global University, Haryana. I'd also like to welcome Director YCT, Anup sir. I also like to welcome Engineer Dinesh Gupta, Dean Academics, and President IISc Cell, Yogananda College of Engineering. I also like to welcome Engineer Lavnish Talwar, HOD Electrical Department, the faculty members and student. And I think this helps each and everyone, and this lecture will be very much success. Thank you, Namika.
Thank you, Robin, sir. Now I request Engineer Dinesh Gupta, Dean Academics, President IISc Cell, to say few words about IISc. Over to Dinesh, sir.
Thank you, Namika. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good afternoon to all. I, Dinesh Gupta, Dean Academics and President of IISc Cell, feel honored and privileged to be part of this session. Today's speaker, Dr. Shobna Powder, Engineer Lavnish Talwar, HOD of Electrical Engineering Department, Engineer Robin, of HOD of CSC Engineering Department, Engineer Rajnish Mugotra, HOD of Civil Engineering Department, faculty members, and my dear students. Dr. Shobna Powder is going to talk in detail about entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, but I would like to tell you about two big groups of India, that is Tata Group and Mukesh Ambani Group. No doubt, Mukesh Ambani is richer than Ratan Tata, but Tata Group is bigger than Ambani's Reliance Industries. Tata Group has more than 100 companies in the sectors like chemicals, consumer products, energy, engineering, information system, materials and services all over the world, and has headquarters in Mumbai. I have an inspiring story for you how Ratan Tata took revenge on Ford. When Ford was all set to buy Tata Motors, but Ratan Tata changed his mind after he felt humiliated by Will Ford. The meeting lasted for 3 hours, during which the Indians were humiliated by Will Ford, who went on to say that he is doing a favor on Tata's by buying his car division. Tata delegation was also told that they don't know about cars and therefore shouldn't have started the car division business. Ratan Tata came out of the meeting and decided not to sell his car division to Ford and instead returned to work even harder on his company. 9 years later, in 2008, the US market collapsed. affecting the entire world. And then Ford was on the verge of bankruptcy and was looking for a suitable buyer for their Jaguar Land Rover division, a motor company. Tata's then helped Ford by buying his car division. This shows his commitment towards work, and also he's a kind-hearted man. If we talk about the profit of the company, then Tata Group has a higher income than Reliance Industries. But Mukesh Ambani is the richest person of India. Ratan Tata donates, because Ratan Tata donates 66% of the company's profit in charity. Tata Group has annual revenue of $103.5 billion US dollar, which is even more than that of Microsoft and Google. Whereas Ambani Group has a revenue of $67 billion. Here is a list of world famous companies of Tata Group. TCS is currently the world's largest IT service company and has a presence in 35 countries across the globe, including Russia, China, North America, South America, and in some of the Asian countries as well. Next one, Tata Steel Limited. Next one, Jaguar Land Rover. Next one, Tata Salt. Next, Tata Motors, Titan Company Limited, Tata Sky, Indian Hotel Company. They have 100+ hotels in India and other countries like UAE, UK, USA, South Africa, and so many Asian countries as Taj Group of Hotels. Next one is Tata Voltas. Next one, Trent Limited. It sells branded clothes, footwear, and accessories for men, women, and children. Next one is Tattling Company. It is the largest tea company in the United Kingdom and Canada, and the second largest in the United States. Next one, Tanishq Company is an Indian jewelry brand. Company has more than 150 stores in India and Dubai. Next one is Tata Starbucks. A joint venture between Tata and Starbucks USA is an Indian American coffee chain and has presence in more than 30,000 areas around the world. Next one is Tata Daewoo, South Korean motor company purchased by Tatas. Next one, Big Basket, online grocery and essentials. Next one is Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery Company. Next one is Tata Marco Polo. It manufactures bus and coach, and its base is in Chennai. And this company has 3 airlines in their name as Air India, Air Asia India, and Vistara. Next one is Tata Communication. Over 70% of the world's telecom companies use Tata Communication Network to use their mobile services. Over 25% of the world's internet routes are on Tata Communication Network. The company also owns the world's largest submarine fiber network. Thanks for listening me patiently, and over to Anamika.
Thank you, Dinesh sir, for useful words. Now I request our guest of the day, Dr. Shobna Padder, to please continue the session. Over to ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you to the Yoganand College of Engineering, the team, especially to ER Dinesh Gupta ji, Dean Academics and President ISC Cell YCET, and Dr. Anup Kumar Srivastava, Director YCET, Engineering Robin Kumar, HOD CSC. And I really grateful to all the team of YCET for inviting me for the lecture as an innovation ambassador on the title Entrepreneurship Skills, Acquisition and Product Innovation. So students, you know, in today's scenario, the government of India also have taken the initiative about the entrepreneurship and innovations. So we, the universities, are taking this pleasure to, give the particular learnings on the entrepreneurship skills, innovation designing, basis on these themes, inspiration, motivation, etc. Entrepreneur skills acquisition can be defined as not just about acquiring skill, but acquiring knowledge and driving towards enterprise in skills that enhance personal livelihood to enduring business startups. Whenever you people are starting a new startup, then the personal livelihood and the acquiring knowledge is very, very important, as जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं. Then enhancing employment opportunities and promoting economic development and growth. Now, normally, the entrepreneurship skills that we actually require in today's scenario, these are basically on the creative thinking, first of all. Creative thinkers, revel in the freedom to come up with big ideas and to let those ideas relocate and bloom. Time management, networking, communication. My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are
Another one
audible.
is time management, networking, and communication as well. So entrepreneurship and innovation, if we say, I will at the last, I will show you some slides also related to this and how I relate with the Shri Krishna lessons in Bhagavad Gita. That are beautifully, innovatively, I have, correlate the innovation product and the entrepreneurship skills. So entrepreneurship refers to the process of developing new business ventures or growing existing ones, right? Process of developing new business venture in your startup. Whenever you are going to get a startup, you have a new ventures or you have a growing existing ones already जो आपके पास हैं. Innovation is an important prerequisite for gaining a competitive advantage and building a strong and sustainable business. Modern thriving enterprises demand constant levels of innovation. So now if we talk about, अगर हम बात करें कि हमें learning क्यों चाहिए entrepreneurship और innovation पे, why do you learn in entrepreneurship and innovation? By studying entrepreneurship and innovation, you can learn the underlying principles of starting a business, avoid common pitfalls, pitch ideas more effectively, validate your product, develop a solid business model, and set yourself up for success in a field where failure is common. I interrupt in between. Dinesh ji, is it okay? My voice is audible and myself is also audible. Visible, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is audible and as well as you're also visible.
Myself is also visible, right? Okay. So by underlying the principle of starting a business, we have to avoid the common pitfall. Which common pitfall हमें avoid करने हैं? We have to pitch the new ideas more effectively. Like, I'm giving you one of the example, in our university, some of the, faculties, they are providing the lecture with innovative ideas. For example, अगर कोई marketing के faculty provide कर रहे हैं lecture अपने students को branding का, they are getting some soap, from their home, some wrapper of particular washing powder, so that they can able to show to the students lively through online platform that this is one, that trademark, this is one, that one, all the areas which can be covered practically. So these are an example of innovative ideas. Similarly, the innovative ideas are applicable to the students as well. That how they are learning from their teachers, what questions or what are their common, homework, the basic work related to particular subject, and how they relate with particular topic or subject to the innovative ideas, and later on they can able to build as a best entrepreneur for the society. So normally the types of skill acquisition. A skill is what? My dear students, skill क्या है? Skill एक ability है एक activity को perform करने की competitive manner. I can say that skill is an ability to perform an activity in a competent manner. Skills can be classified into many types, like transferable skills, functional skill, आपके खुद के personal traits, your attitudes, to have some personal values. By birth, everybody is having a special value by birth. Somebody is very, very hardworking, के nature में ही है by birth. Somebody is very straightforward. Somebody is like very honest. Somebody is very shy. Somebody is very, talkative. So these are some of the personal traits that everybody is bearing. And we can, develop those skills later on into our professional life based on with addition of knowledge. So we can say transferable, functional, personal trait, attitude, and knowledge base. Stages of skill acquisition. Normally, the motor skill acquisition follow 3 stages. The cognitive stage, associative stage, and the autonomous stage. Okay. Now, what are the, some entrepreneurship skills, entrepreneurial skills like business management skills, teamwork or leadership skills, communication and listening skills, customer service skills, financial skills, analytical and problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, strategic thinking and planning skills. So these are some of the examples that we can bear it on the skills as an entrepreneur. सबसे पहला आपका business management skills in your startup, in your business as an entrepreneur. What are your management skills? How you manage your operation team, how you manage your business, how you manage your products, how you manage your competitors. Then next one is teamwork and leadership skills. The teamwork is, if you can do your task in a team, it will give a better result. And as a leader, you can develop your skills to build that leadership skill amongst your team members also. Communication and listening. You should be a very good listener also to your clients. If you are doing some business with the innovative ideas, your communication should be very, very clear and with innovative ideas. Customer service skills. Then you have financial skills. And problem solving skill is very important in your business. You have to sort out the problem on daily basis. Critical thinking skills are there, strategic thinking skills, as well as the planning skills also matters a lot. So the 5 skills of entrepreneur, I can say the importantly are to have, you are understanding the skills. Then after understanding, the next step comes to communication. Then the another step comes to sales. Then the another step comes to how to focus and how to learn, how to plan your strategy in your business. And then after all, at the last, your career outlook. If I can say why entrepreneurship and innovation is very important, I can say are key takeaways. Entrepreneurship is important as it has the ability to improve the standards of living and create wealth, right? Why entrepreneurship is important? Because it has the ability to improve your standard of living and create your wealth and create your finances, make yourself as a rich person or vice versa. Not only for the entrepreneurs, but also for the related businesses, I can say. Entrepreneurs also help drive change with innovation, where new and improved products enable new markets to be developed. If you have a innovative ideas in your particular business, your particular product, then your products can be improved among the competitive market, and it can enable new market also for yourself to develop. What is the role of entrepreneurship and creativity? What is the role of innovation and creativity in entrepreneurship? Creativity and innovation helps develop new ways of improving an existing product. जैसे कि मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपको बताया, आपकी जो ऑलरेडी बिजनेस रन हो रहा है, जो प्रोडक्ट्स ऑलरेडी मार्केट में है, अगर आप इनोवेटिव आइडियाज उसमें क्रिएट करते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं, देन वो निखर के आपके सामने प्रोडक्ट भी आते हैं और आपका बिजनेस भी आगे जाकर ग्रोथ करता है. You should able to increase your wealth. You can able to increase your wealth as well. Then this also allows entrepreneurs to think outside the box. Outside the box, you can able to think outside the box and beyond the traditional solutions. Through this opportunity, new interesting potential yet versatile and the idea come up. How does entrepreneurship influence the innovation? Innovation is a facilitator of entrepreneurship and a way of empowering people to make charge of their lives and economic prosperity. At the same time, entrepreneurship is the answer to innovation, both at individual business level, and it also stimulates general business sector growth of a nation. Then there is a difference between the innovation and entrepreneurship. Because it totally based on the product. Innovation is applying your creativity to come up with a unique idea in your product. Progress depends on innovation, and great innovators can get rich. Entrepreneurship, by contrast, is applying the innovation to bring the ideas of life. It is also social invention which lets people do what they could not previously do. I'm showing you some of these slides, then later on I can, after the slides, I can accordingly brief the slides verbally also. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you see here, entrepreneurship skill, acquisition can be defined. Just a second. Entrepreneurship skill acquisition can be defined as not just about acquiring skills, but acquiring knowledge and driving towards enterprise in skills that enhance personal livelihood through enduring business startups, enhancing employment opportunities, and promoting the economic development and growth. Because जो भी हमने अभी previous slide, previous मेरे lecture में आपने learn किया, society को भी काफी helpful रहेगा economic development करने में. Society is the innovation idea in the product as well as entrepreneurship skills is very important and good, beneficial for the economic development and growth of society. Skills, as I told you, so some of the entrepreneurship skills are time management, networking, communication. As creative thinkers revel in the freedom to come up with big ideas and to let those ideas relocate and bloom. If I can talk about the entrepreneurship, obviously, अगर आप कोई run कर रहे हैं business या as a startup, you are an entrepreneur, then there should be some ethics at workplace also with innovative ideas. The ethics at workplace, in a combination of a moral principles and concerned with what is good, what is bad, and morality guides behavior of employees as well. If your organization, your entrepreneur culture, your entrepreneurship culture is good, it combines with the morality, then obviously, your business runs and grows more and more. Some important work ethics that we already knows are integrity, honest, good leadership, discipline, responsibility, devotion, motivation. Lessons of Bhagavad Gita not only give learning of spiritual knowledge, because I'm here combining it with the Bhagavad Gita very beautifully, we can able to understand about this, that self-determination, personality, behavior, time management, stress management can be a guide to increase the management effectiveness when you are as an entrepreneur or when you are making your product with the innovative ideas. And critical questions come to all managers: how to be effective in the job as a like if you are running a startup and your organization, so many employees are working, obviously they are doing the job, how their job can be effective. Answer by Bhagavad Gita is that you must try to manage to yourself. And in addition, I'm adding here with innovative ideas so that it can be helpful for the society as well, for the society growth as well. Why lessons from Bhagavad Gita? Because Gita offers a framework of motivation. As Shri Krishna motivated Arjuna to do your deeds and fight against evil. Then notion of time is also very effective. Time is essentially, long term. First lesson by Shri Krishna to Arjuna: feel less pressurized of performance targets in the short term and create a balance between short term and long term. People come and go, but good principles and ideas, including innovation, remains in the organization. Innovation. What is entrepreneurship and innovation? As we discussed recently also, entrepreneurship refers to the process of developing new business ventures or growing the existing ones. Innovation is an important prerequisite for gaining a competitive advantage and building a strong and sustainable business. Modern thriving enterprise demand constant level of innovation. Right? Here in this slide, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पे फोकस हम कर रहे हैं विद इनोवेटिव आइडिया से, क्योंकि कैसे आप अपने प्रोसेसेस को डेवलप करेंगे न्यू बिजनेस वेंचर्स में, अपने नए स्टार्टअप में, एंड आप एक पूरी तरीके से एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बन पाएंगे द ग्रोइंग एग्जिस्टिंग वन, या तो आपकी ग्रोइंग स्टार्टअप के दौरान या फिर आपके नए स्टार्टअप के लिए. तो इनोवेशन इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट प्रीक्विस्ट फॉर गेनिंग अ competitive advantage and building a strong and sustainable business. Modern thriving enterprises demand constant, level of innovation. अगर आप आजकल हम मॉडर्न सिनारियो में हैं, मॉडर्न हमारे काफी हम डिजिटलाइजेशन काफी आगे बढ़ चुका है हमारा, हम हर एक काम डिजिटली कर रहे हैं. इवन वी हैव मोबाइल्स एंड वी कैन सिट एनीवेयर एंड जस्ट वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू हम कोई भी मीटिंग्स अटेंड कर सकते हैं. That means we are, way forward. हम काफी आगे निकल चुके हैं and हमें अब इसमें जरूरत है innovation ideas डालने, so that it can be helpful for the society as well, for the young youth as well. By studying entrepreneurship and innovation, you can obviously learn the underlying principles of starting a business, avoid the common pitfalls, which ideas from more effectively, validate your product. अपने product को validate करिए with new innovation ideas के साथ. Develop a solid business model and set yourself up for a success in a field where failure is common. आपको मैं e-commerce का example देती हूँ, in regard to this slide. E-commerce में you have seen that Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, they have very older e-commerce businesses, जहां पर हम बैठे बिठाए कहीं पर भी बैठकर शिपिंग करवा सकते हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को अपने घर पे बुला सकते हैं, और अगर वो प्रोडक्ट हमें ठीक नहीं लगते हैं साइज से या कलर से या whatever is there, whatever difference is there, we can return back or we can exchange it, right? So after this, after Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc., right now if you see there are so many digital platforms among the various businesses. बहुत से लोगों ने अपने ब्लॉग बनाए हैं. अभी रिसेंटली आया है मीशो आया है, और काफी सारे ऐसे आपको मिलेंगे. इफ यू सी द एडवर्टाइजमेंट, कोरोना के बाद तो काफी डिजिटलाइजेशन बिजनेस स्टार्टअप शुरू हो गए हैं. इफ यू सी अर्बन अर्बन क्लैप में क्या स्टार्ट किया था उन्होंने? दे हैव स्टार्टेड विद द ब्यूटी पार्लर फॉर द फीमेल्स, देन दे वे फॉरवर्ड उनका आगे जो उसका एडिशन हुआ उसमें इनोवेटिव आइडियाज के साथ, देन दे एडेड विद द एसी एंड हाउसकीपिंग के लोग आएंगे, वो एसी को क्लीन करेंगे, देन आपके बाथरूम्स भी क्लीन कर सकते हैं, देन आपके घर को क्लीन करके जा सकते हैं. So many things, these are innovative ideas that they have started their business with a scratch, and then they can able to move their businesses and they can able to expand their businesses in later stages with other innovative ideas, other innovative products. If you see NetMed का pharmacy के काफी आ रहे हैं advertisement, if you see the TV and all, there you have seen that pharmacy से related आप घर बैठे बिठाए इतने % off मिलेगा, आप medicines मंगवा सकते हैं. These are the innovative ideas ना people have started, and you are surprised to see many of the students from Indian Institute of Management, IIM, they have started very good products, very good business as an entrepreneur relate to digitalization. Like they started with trainings, they started with the placements activities, कैसे upskill students को किया जाए, वो trainers को उसमें involve करते हैं और अपना training universities में, schools में, corporates में provide करवाते हैं. They are making some of the projects जहाँ पर एक slum area के, झोपड़ी के जो लोग होते हैं, झोपड़ी के जो ऑटोज चलाते हैं, ऑटो रिक्शा चलाते हैं, जो या फिर जो लेडीज होती हैं घर जाके सफाई करते हैं, उनके साथ जो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस उनके घर में होता है, लाइक मारपीट और ये सब, these projects also being done by these type of students. They are researching on that, and after researching they made something like that, some blog, and with a very minimum expenses they started their businesses and they expand their businesses later on. I have given you many practical right now examples that will help a lot when you start your business as an entrepreneur with innovative ideas, with innovative products. So since I am relating this with the Bhagavad Gita, so Krishna wants Arjuna that he needs to lead by examples. Leaders kya hai? Leaders hands are tied, they lose the degree of freedom, and whole world will keenly watch the leader's action and blindly follow the leaders. Winning mantras kya hai? Winning mantras by Gita for your product, for your innovation product, as well as your startup. Turn your weakness into strength, like Arjun and Bhim and Dhritarashtra. Networking, alliance should be there. Your networking should be there so that you can able to learn and earn in your business as an entrepreneur. Make powerful networking. Leadership quality must be there, as I told you in previous slide also, and in my communication lecture also. Share your responsibilities. Then another winning mantras are, team spirits. Teamwork succeeds where individual efforts fails. Individual motives as a team motives. The right team is made by selecting the right individual and get the right man for the right job. Whenever you are running as an entrepreneur your business, you always need a right man for the right job. Your commitment should be there as a startup. You run a startup, and the best person at work, not only with best capability but also with greatest commitments. Okay, and the right managers inspire your team in need of power, and know your enemy weaknesses and exploit them and take a calculated risk. Roots are what? The ground root realities. Know different ideologies. Share women empowerment must be there. As innovative ideas, you can start it like this. Decision making process with support of women, as I have given you the example of slum. For the masculine trait of dominance shall be balanced by masculine trait of harmony, like that. Now I can brief you some other things. Yeah, Madam Anamika, is that the screen share मैंने किया, stop किया, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi now I am visible?
Yes, ma'am, you are visible and audible too.
Okay. So now, as I told you, acquisition, our topic, we have to know about the skill acquisition. Acquisition की बात करते हैं. In simplified terms, skill acquisition refers to what? Voluntary control over movements of joints and body segments in an effort to solve a motor skill problem and achieve a task goal. Why is skill acquisition important? Because to acquire the skill of being decisive, even when you are taking a risk, you cannot fully evaluate. Sometimes making any decision is better than making no decision. कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि कोई भी डिसीजन ना लेने से अच्छा है, sometimes making any decision is better than making no decision. कुछ ना करने से अच्छा है कुछ तो डिसीजन लिया जाए, कुछ तो पर्टिकुलर वे फॉरवर्ड तक पहुंचा जाए. You can learn to embrace the skills of making decision in uncertain situations and greatly improve your ability to lead as well. So, the difference between skill and skill acquisition, if I can say, skill or skill acquisition के बीच में difference. As a learned superlative performance which has the ability of being effortlessly reproduced, acquisition could be seen as to own and exhibit ownership as an inherent character. Then, if I can talk about the, I can say empowerment. हमने अब empowerment की बात भी की थी, slide में भी की थी. Skill empower people for their future and provide a means of economic empowerment that can be sustained for a longer period. That help the young men and women in this regard awakens their minds to take responsibility and face the life challenges with courage. That is called empowerment. If I can say who are Fitz and Posner, I'm giving you example. Paul Fitz and Michael Posner presented their stages of learning model in 1967 and to this day considered applicable to the motor learning world. The first stage, called the cognitive stage of learning, is when the beginner focus on cognitively oriented problems. Some of the examples of entrepreneurship skills, as I told you, management skills in your work area, teamwork and your leadership skills, as I have shown you in the slide with relate to Bhagavad Gita. Communication and listener, you should be a good communicator like Lord Krishna, and you should be a good listener like Arjuna. And customer service skills, financial skills, analytical and problem solving skills. You should be a good problems. You should having the skills of solving the problem in your work area. Like Shri Krishna, motivate the Arjuna that how to solve your problem in the war earth, the earth of war. किस तरीके से आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है, किस तरीके से आपको जस्टिस करना है. You have to do your karmas with the innovative ideas and become a successful entrepreneur. Your critical thinking skills, your strategic thinking and planning skills. As an example of only skill, as I told you that skills are the talent needed to order to do a job or task. So job skills allow you to do a particular job and life skills help you through everyday tasks. जॉब की स्किल्स है या एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर की जो आप स्किल्स यूज कर रहे हैं, आपको अलाउ करता है कि आप डेली रूटीन में जो पर्टिकुलर जॉब कर रहे हैं वो किस तरीके से अपना बेस्ट देकर कर सके. एंड दैट हेल्प यू थ्रू एवरीडे टास्क. It might take determination and practice, but almost any skill can be learned or improved. And product innovation क्या है? Product innovation introduction है goods or services का, and that is significantly improved with respect to characteristic, with respect to your more and more adding of your innovative ideas day by day. Why the product innovation is important? प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों कहा गया है? प्रोडक्ट तो पहले भी बनते थे, पहले तो इनोवेशन की बातें ज्यादा नहीं होती थी. व्हाई? बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट कैन हेल्प यू क्रिएट न्यू स्पेस इन अ सीमिंगली क्राउडेड मार्केट. जब आप किसी कॉम्पिटिटर्स के साथ बैठे हैं, अमंगेस्ट आपके मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट चल रहा है, सेम प्रोडक्ट जो है मार्केट में डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटर्स भी यूज कर रहे हैं. Then with your innovative ideas only, you can make successful amongst your product to be launched in the market and to reach your organization goal by making the profit. By identifying the gaps and imposing yourself into a new space, you can find an audience and satisfy consumer needs in a way that is new and refreshing as well. Then if I can talk about that, why is innovation and creativity in your product are important? Why? Because creativity is the ability to produce new and unique ideas, and innovation is the implementation of that creativity. Just wait. And there is a creativity that improves the process of solving problems as well. Then there is a relationship between connection and entrepreneurship and innovation. Innovation and entrepreneurship is similar to engineering and technology. In general, entrepreneurship is the best outcome of an innovation to benefit the human being as a whole, and innovation work as a brain to entrepreneurship. Why is skill acquisition in drafting? Acquisition of skills. Acquisition of skill is a type of learning in which repetition results in enduring changes in an individual's capability to perform a specific task with enough repetition, and performance of task eventually may become automatic with little needs of or conscious oversight. So the main feature of each stage of skill acquisition are cognitive, associative, and autonomous. Cognitive is the early stage. Skill acquisition में cognitive जो है वो first stage को कहा जाता है, and once you are in associate phase you have a bit more flexibility, and autonomous is a later stage, that is the final stage of skill acquisition. How do the skills required? Skills are developed through practice, through combination of sensory inputs and outputs. As an example, social skills are developed through interaction with people by observing, listening, speaking with them. How you interact with people in your entrepreneur, as your startup. You are interacting with people, उनको observe करके, उनको listen करके, as a good listener बनके, जैसा कि मैंने आपको slides में बताया है, how I relate with the Bhagavad Gita, and speaking with them. And trials and error is probably the best way, to achieve. How do you, organize a skill acquisition program? You weigh the skill, you choose the specialized trainings amongst your employees in your startup, and you measure the collective result as relate to the innovative product, and you predict the future roles and prepare your employees to contribute for the society. And the skill empowerment. Skill empowerment is enabling market-oriented and required skills to make youth employable gainfully. That is to say that it is necessary condition for gainful employment in economy as well. What is the meaning of skill development? If I say skill development is a process of identifying your skill gap and ensuring you develop these skills. Your skills determine your ability to execute plans and achieve your goals. And organizations that encourage skills development have a stronger workforce, employees are motivated and engaged and have higher productivity. So the freezing degree of freedom is required, that the effective solution will involve the freezing degrees of freedom. That involves reducing the number of potential movements as well. If I talk about the competency, क्या होता है? Competencies हमें entrepreneurship skills और competency को अगर हम relate करें तो what is that? Opportunity seeking initiative, persistence, commitment, demand for efficiency, taking calculated risk, goal setting, information setting, systematic planning, and monitoring as well. So I can add one more thing, that in the skill of employers, one should look for interpersonal, adaptability, self-management, organizational, computer skills, problem-solving skills, open-mindedness, strong work ethics. If I can talk about the types of product innovation, that is radical innovation, which aims at developing a new product, and incremental innovation, which aims at improving the existing product as well. So these are the three types of product innovation. These are, organization can innovate essentially this type of product innovation, that product, process, and business model. Then you achieve product innovation through relevant customer benefit, through easy to test, easy to change, legal framework, earnings prospect of product innovation, integration into existing product portfolio that make your product innovative. A product or idea can become innovative when it stands out from the rest and truly make the customer's life easier. A successful change that can convert knowledge and ideas into benefit in the form of new or improved product services is capable of being innovative. The importance of innovation in entrepreneurship enhances the nature, creativity, design thinking process of brand. A new business can attain the height of success by learning the steps of creativeness. Innovation in entrepreneurship can open the doors of various opportunities by helping the business to keep up with current trends. In that way, you can make your skill acquisition more feasible. You can influence your skill acquisition in a critical situations. You can increase the personality, heredity, confidence, prior experience, and ability as well. In that way, you can make yourself a good entrepreneur and become successful among the staff. Is that okay, Engineer Dinesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I believe that I covered all the points right away.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your views with us. And I hope the session will be fruitful for the students. Now I request Engineer Lavneesh Talwar, HOD Electrical Department, for the vote of thanks. Over to Lavneesh, sir.
Yeah, Namika, it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. So on the behalf of entire team of Yogananda College of Engineering and Technology, especially from the management side, I formally propose the formal vote of thanks to the resource person of the day, Dr. Shobna Powder, Dean Corporation Relation, Training and Professor Management, IIC Innovation Ambassador, Home Sterling Global University, Haryana. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have spared a valuable time for us and share your ideas about entrepreneurship. I think with your talk, this talk will be very, very beneficial to all the students as well as the participants who join this webinar. In future, we will also try a certain type of webinars with you also. I would also like to thank the Dean Academics of YCT as well as the IIC President Dinesh Gupta sir, who has spared his time and joined this session. Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to thank the head of the department, Computer Science Engineer Robin, who will arrange such type of webinars in collaboration with the Home Sterling Group University as well as the Department of Electrical Engineering, so that our students will get an idea about the entrepreneurship, how the entrepreneurship can be done, and what are the various advantages of this entrepreneurship. I would also like to thank the faculty members of Computer Science Department as well as the Electrical Engineering Department who have joined this session. I would also like to thank special thanks to all the students of CSC as well as electrical who joined this session and listen the session very patiently and carefully. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our technical team, Engineer Neeraj sir, who has supported us to arrange such type of webinars. With his support, this online session will not be possible. So special thanks to our technical team, engineer, especially Engineer Neeraj Kumar, who have assisted us to provide such type of platforms so that we can go this type of webinars. So this is all about from my side. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request students, please mark your attendance. The link is shared in the chat group. Please mark your attendance over there. Thank you, everyone.